A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes and taking care of yourself. So children, today I am going to start with a new chapter. Yes children, today I am going to start with a new chapter, that is Bukka Learns a Lesson. Yes children, Bukka Learns a Lesson. The title of this chapter is Bukka Learns a Lesson. So children, who is Bukka? Tell me. So Bukka is a name of an elephant. Okay, Bukka is the name of an baby elephant. Is that clear? So this story is all about Bukka, an elephant. Okay. So children, Bukka is used to be very naughty. Okay, Bukka is used to be very naughty. He used to irritate everyone with his naughty behaviors. So what happened with Bukka? So children, elder of Bukka taught a lesson to Bukka. So Bukka's elder, they taught a lesson to Bukka. So children, what he made mistakes and how he realized from his mistake, we will see in this chapter. Okay, so Bukka learns a lesson. Okay, how he realized his mistakes from how he realized from his mistakes, we will learn in this chapter. So children, chapter number 2, Bukka Learns a Lesson. Open your English textbook, page number 14. Yes, this story is all about an elephant. So children, this lesson is written by Dipanvita Roy. Yes, Dipanvita Roy is a writer of this chapter, Bukka Learns a Lesson. Okay, is that clear? Before moving to the chapter, let's do warm-up activity. So children, look at in this warm-up box. So tell me what you can see in this picture. See this picture and tell me whatever comes in your mind. Okay. So first we can see two pictures. Yes, we can see here two pictures of an animal. Yes, one is baby elephant and another is big elephant. Isn't it? We can see these two pictures of an baby elephant and a big elephant. So what you have to do? You have to color the pictures. Okay children. Now let's read the chapter. So children, whenever we are reading something new, we came across with many new words or difficult words. Isn't it? So what you have to do? You have to write down, you have to underline the difficult words or new words. Okay? So underline the difficult words or new words. I will read this para, listen to me carefully and put your finger on the line. Okay? Remember, you are all big animals. The older elephants warn the juniors. So children, remember, you are all big animals. The older elephants warn the juniors. So, warn. Warn means what children? Warn means telling something seriously. Warn means what? Warn means telling something seriously. So, the elder elephant means what children? Mommy elephant. Yes, father elephant, mother elephant, uncle elephant, aunt elephant, they all are elder elephants. Okay. So the elder elephants warn the junior elephants. Young ones. Junior elephants means what children? The young ones. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. Now the older elephants warn to remember. The older elephants warn the juniors. What they want? They want to remember that they are all big animals. Yes, that they all are big animals. Like we can see here, children, do you have seen animal? Do you have seen an elephant? Yes, we all have seen an elephant. Yes, how they are? They are very big. Yes, they are very big in size. They are very huge, tall and strong. Isn't it? So children, the elder elephants are warning to the junior elephants to remember that they all are big animals. Isn't it? Now look at the second para. When lying down on the ground, you must watch out for snails. See that you don't crush them under your weight. It is the snail that tells you flood water enters the forest. So children, here the big elephants is warning to the junior elephants. What they are warning? They are telling to watch out. They are telling that you must watch out for snails. That you must watch out for snails. Snails means for children. Snails are very small animals. Okay? Do you have seen snails? Snails are very small animals. They live in water bodies like tank, pond, then river. Yes? They live near water bodies like river, water and pond. They have very hard shell on their back and they move very slowly. As children, the snails move very slowly. So the elder elephants warning to the junior elephants that they must watch snails while lying down. Yes? You don't crush them under your weight. So crush means to press something very hard till it breaks down. So as we know, yes children, that the animals are very big in size, they are very strong. So the elder elephants warning to the junior elephants, don't crush the snails. Yes, because the snails are very useful to us. Yes children, they are telling the use of snails. It is the snail that tells you when flood water enters the forest. So the elder elephants telling to the junior elephants how useful they are. Yes, they are telling that snails are the one when flood water. They are the one that tells you when the flood water come inside the forest. So children, see how useful they are, isn't it? So now the next para. Check to see if there are baby squirrels in the hollows. So again, the elder elephants warning to the junior elephants that remember that now you all are big animals. Yes, check to see if there are baby squirrels in the hollows. So what is meant by hollows? Hollows means having a hole or empty space inside. Okay. So write down the difficult word. Hollows means having a hole or empty space inside. Okay. So children, when you shake the branches of a tree to pick the fruits, then these animals will be the first one to give you news of any danger. Yes, they are the one who gives you news of any danger. The squirrels will bring you news of an approaching forest life. So children, again the elder elephants is warning to the junior elephants. Yes, what they are warning? They are telling to the young ones. They are telling to the junior elephants, before shaking any branches of tree to pick the fruit, you must watch if there are baby squirrels in the hollows. Yes, because these animals will be the first one to give you news of any danger. Yes children. So what we have learned today? We have learned about Bukka. Yes, that Bukka is the name of an elephant and the elder elephants are warning to their junior elephants. Yes children, I hope you understood this. The next we will continue in our next class. Okay children, till then stay home, stay safe. Thank you.